chemtrails going right in front of the sun. Do you see that shit? Look, right there, dude. 2 of them. They are loading this sky up with fucking chemtrails. That is insane, dude. They've been on it all morning. 2017 was cool, yes. It's dark in San Antonio. It's dark in Texas. I think San Antonio is Texas. We're almost at totality, everybody. Dude, this is so cool. I'm gonna show you guys in a second, chat. Oh my god, this is fucking eerie as shit. Oh my god, this is actually kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie.
Mom!
What?
The street lights turned on.
The street lights turned on? Holy. Wow. Damn, guys. Show the darkness, I will as soon as it hits the totality. Huh?
It's just the tiniest little slip.
I know. I can't wait to see it, dude. Like the whole fucking darkness thing with the ring. I want to see the ring, dude. It's almost there. Oh my god, it's so dark out here, you guys. And they got a chemtrail right over the fucking sun. That's so fucked. Oh my god, it's so dark. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so eerie, dude. Oh my god, there it is! Look, and take your glasses off. Holy shit! Wow! Oh my god! Come on, phone, zoom out.
Whoa!
Holy shit, dude! That is so gorgeous. Take pictures, please. Oh my god, I've never thought I would see that. I wish you guys could see it better.
Oh my god.
This is the everything. The lights are even on, guys. Oh my god, this is fucking incredible, dude. I wish the camera would show it better, guys. I'm so sorry. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look, I think that's the comet they're talking about, guys. That comet right there. That's the comet they're talking about that you're supposed to be able to see or some shit. Holy crap, dude. Holy shit, we're seeing this for reals, you guys. Oh my god. Oh shit, watch out for the gun. The guns, here we go.
Why are their guns being shot?
They're excited. Oh my god, this is fucking gorgeous, dude.
I got this.
Hold on, I forgot about that. There you go, chat. Now you can fucking see it. This is what I'm seeing right now. They're fucking incredible. This is incredible, you guys. I'm not even joking. This is fucking... I do. Oh my god, dude. This is fucking awesome. Oh, here it comes, guys.
Alright, put back on your glasses.
Yep. And there we go. Let me unzoom.